What is up, you guys? Thank you for tuning into the channel, and also thank you for getting me to over 100 subscribers. I really appreciate the support. It really helps me out a lot when you guys subscribe and like the videos, comment, and all that good stuff. So today we're going to do another how-to video. We're going to do how to put some shed antlers on a mountain mice replica skull. I'll go ahead and show you guys everything you need. Obviously you're going to need your antlers. Here's a set of deer sheds I have. These are ones that I colored actually. So if you haven't checked out how to restore your sheds and get them back to that fresh look, go look at my last video and you'll learn how to do it. You're also going to need your mountain mice kit. Comes with big pedicles, small pedicles, and Dremel or some way to cut your burr down, gloves, and a mask. I do not have a mask though, because this gets dust everywhere grinding these down. I already did this one a little bit. This one I have not started yet. And that's what the Dremel's for, is to grind all that down and get it as smooth as you can. You don't have to use a Dremel, as long as you can grind it down, cut it down, do whatever. That way it fits on there as smooth as possible. This one's pretty smooth already. Try to just get it to fit a little bit more smooth. I haven't done this before, so hopefully it turns out pretty good and you guys can get a good idea of how to do it yourselves. So let's go ahead and get started. There we go. It's looking pretty smooth. Let's go ahead and get the other side going. As you can see the difference. That's what it's supposed to look like. Nice and smooth, clean. This is what this one looks like. I need to do this one. Let's go ahead and get it done. Alright, let's go ahead and see what that side looks like now that it's grinded down. Let's take that off. Let's see, it looks a lot better. I still need to even it out. That's all you do, is just keep grinding down until it looks good, until you're happy with it. Just make sure it fits in there nice and clean. Alright, those look a lot better. Those look really good. Just make sure they line up okay on the skull. Oh yeah. That one's looking a lot better. Let's try this one. Ooh yeah. That's perfect. Small gap in there is okay, you can go through and kind of fill it. I think that's gonna look pretty good though. Oh, that's gonna look way good. Yeah, it'll look awesome. Well, we have those ground down to where they're just about perfect. I think they're perfect in my opinion. Let's go ahead and go to the next step and let's get this thing done. Can't wait to see what it looks like all finished up. Alright, the next step is you're going to want to get the antler in the base of this skull. You're going to want to try to match them up as even as possible. You don't have to worry about getting it adjusted perfect this way. Just get it to where it's just about even on that pedicle. You want that antler See if I can get it better this way. With the antler even around that pedicle. Once you get it on there nice and even to where you like it, you're gonna go through and tip it upside down. I already marked mine because it's kind of hard to video and do this at the same time. And then just flip it upside down. You just want to mark it off. That's what I did right there with a Sharpie. And after that, after you get it marked like that, you're gonna want to go ahead and drill a hole in there. And according to the instructions, let's see, you're gonna get a 3/16 drill bit and go down about 1 3/4 inch deep in the antler. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Got my 3/16. You almost have to go 2 inches in. There we go. All drilled out. Let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, we have this one marked up and ready to go. Same thing with the other side, obviously. Just gotta try to match it up evenly. You wanna look at it, make sure it looks good too, where you have it matched up. And just flip it over and go ahead and put a dot in there with a Sharpie so you know where to drill. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. Alrighty, that one's all drilled out and ready to rock too. Let's go ahead and put the screws through. Alright, so go ahead and get your screws out of the packaging that it gives you. There we go, couldn't find it on the camera. And what you're gonna do is just push it through up here like this. And this piece is just gonna feed into the antler. Just like that. Go ahead and start screwing it in. You don't want to go all the way because you want to be able to adjust it. So let's just get it started. All right, just got that one side done. Looks really good, I think. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I can't wait to get the other side on. Let's do it. All right, I have to say, I think that turned out really good. He's a sweet buck. He's wide. He sits wide on those. That's what's cool about these things, is you can kind of adjust it and make it a little bit wider if you want. And with sheds, who cares? Make them look as big as you want on these things, as long as it looks good. And that's how you do it. And they have screws and everything to mount it on here. I'll go ahead and get some better video on my phone and take some pictures and let me know what you guys think. All right, just put these screws in right here and one right here to hold that bad boy together. And then no matter what you do, you're gonna have a little bit of gap in there. It's never gonna be perfect, which is why they give you gap filler. So when you're done, the last step is to just go through and just kind of fill it in, kind of top it off. But I'm really excited about the way this turned out. I think it turned out really, really good. This is a good way to show off some of your sets that you find. I don't really find a lot of big deer sheds, so this is my biggest set I have. For now anyways. Hopefully we can change that. Alright, overall I think this turned out really, really good. I'm honestly impressed. There's a little bit of gap in there, but you're never going to get that exactly perfect. So we'll go ahead and do that. That turned out awesome. be a nice buck. All right, you guys ready for the finished product? Here we go. This thing turned out sweet. I'm really excited on how it's turned out. Oh, that looks so good. If only this side had a bigger front too. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out overall really good. Once I put that gap filler in there, it'll just finish it off, but I think it turned out awesome. It's an awesome buck. Side by side set. Found him about 20 yards off the road. He's already all bleached out. Had to go stain his antlers darker. Well, thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Hope you guys can learn from this and go do it to some of your sheds. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.